Studies show that we form a first impression of someone within just 7 seconds of meeting them. 7 seconds. That's all it takes for people to decide if they like you, trust you, or want to do business with you. That's both exciting and a little terrifying, right? But don't worry, I'm here to give you the tools you need to make those 7 seconds count. Let's kick things off with a little story. Picture a guy named John. John walks into a networking event. He's dressed well, but he's looking down at his phone, not making eye contact with anyone. When he finally does introduce himself, his handshake is weak, his voice is barely audible, and he struggles to make conversation. Fast forward to the end of the event. How many people do you think remember John? Probably none. Now imagine Adam. He walks into the same event with his head held high, a smile on his face, and a confident stride. He makes eye contact, his handshake is firm, and he engages people with genuine interest. By the end of the event, everyone knows Adam. He's left a mark, made connections, and set himself up for future opportunities. So, what's the difference between John and Adam? It's all about the first impressions. Let's break it down. But first, hit the subscribe button to support the channel. 1. Speak before you speak. First impressions start before you even open your mouth. Your body language is a powerful communicator. Here's how to make it work for you. Stand tall. Good posture exudes confidence. Walk into a room with your shoulders back and your head up. It shows you're confident and ready to engage. Smile. A genuine smile is welcoming and makes people feel at ease. It's the easiest way to show warmth and approachability. Eye contact. Making eye contact shows that you're interested and present. It builds trust and helps establish a connection. Handshake. A firm handshake is key. It should be strong but not crushing. Think of it as a mini conversation. It should convey confidence and respect. 2. Learn to have a conversation. Once you've nailed your nonverbal cues, it's time to focus on what you say and how you say it. Here are some tips to ensure your words leave a lasting impact. Be present. Listen more than you talk. People love to feel heard. Nod, give verbal affirmations, and genuinely engage with what the other person is saying. Ask questions. Show interest in the other person's life, work, and passions. Asking thoughtful questions not only shows you care, but also helps you find common ground. Share stories. Personal stories are memorable. They make you relatable and human. Share experiences that highlight your values, skills, or sense of humor. Be authentic. Don't try to be someone you're not. Authenticity shines through, and people appreciate genuine interactions. 3. The secret weapon. Here's a little psychological trick: mirror and match. People tend to like others who are similar to them. Subtly mirroring the other person's body language, tone, and pace of speech can create a sense of rapport and familiarity. Just be careful not to overdo it. It should feel natural, not forced. 4. Look good, feel good. Let's face it, appearance matters. How you dress is an extension of your personality and professionalism. Here's how to make sure your look works for you. Dress for the occasion. Understand the dress code of the event or setting you're entering. It shows respect and situational awareness, comfort and confidence. Wear something that makes you feel comfortable and confident. If you feel good, it will reflect in your body language and interactions. Make sure your clothes are clean, ironed, and well fitted. Small details like polished shoes and minimal accessories can make a big difference. 5. The cherry on top. A great first impression doesn't end with the initial meeting. Following up is crucial to cementing that impression and building a lasting relationship. Send a thank you. A simple thank you note or text can go a long way. It shows appreciation and keeps the conversation going. Stay connected. Add them on social apps, follow up with a relevant article or resource, or invite them to another event. Keep the connection alive and valuable. Be consistent. Your follow-up should be consistent with the impression you've already made. Keep showing up as the confident, engaging person they met initially. 6. Practice makes perfect. Finally, remember that making a great first impression is a skill, and like any skill, it gets better with practice. Put yourself out there, attend events, meet new people, and apply these tips. Over time, they'll become second nature. Remember, you only get one shot at a first impression. Make it count. Walk into every room like you own it, engage with genuine interest, and leave a mark that people won't forget. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more content.